Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how I produce this anti-dandruff hair growth cream. This is a hair cream for fighting dandruff and also for boosting the hair growth. So we'll just go straight into the production process. I'll show you guys how this was done. Over here are my ingredients with their measurements we'll be using for this production. I will start by pouring in my paraffin oil. I'm making use of 50 cl of paraffin oil. I'll pour it into my basin. What I'll be pouring in next or adding next is my petroleum jelly or petroleum gel. I'm making use of 1 kg of petroleum gel. Once we are done adding the petroleum gel into the paraffin oil, we'll place this on a stove. You can use any stove of your choice. If you don't have an electric stove like the one I'm using here, you can use your gas stove or use your kerosene stove. What we'll be adding next is the paraffin wax. I'm making use of 60 grams. 60 grams is okay for this measurement so that your cream will not be too hard like a candle. 60 grams of paraffin wax is okay. Then what we'll be adding next is the lanolin. 1 tablespoon is enough. The moment we are done melting everything, I'll take this down from the heat source and allow it to cool down before I add my other ingredients. This is my menthol. It's called menthol crystals. I was actually supposed to add it alongside the oil and melt it, but I forgot. So I'm going to use my ethanol to dissolve it because my mixture of paraffin oil, petroleum gel and paraffin wax is already warm, so that temperature will not melt this crystal. So I'll use my ethanol to melt it. Once it has melted in the ethanol, I'm going to pour it directly into my hair cream mixture. So I've added my menthol crystal or my menthol. This will give my hair cream a cooling effect. It will make it have this cooling effect. And I'll begin by adding the rest of my ingredients. This is the time to add those ingredients when the mixture is warm and not hot again. This is when to add them, but that time it was hot. It's not good to add it. It's going to kill the power of it. Then also I organize online private classes just in case you don't want to join the group but you need a private class where you can be on a live session with me. We go on a live session on WhatsApp where we do a live video call. When you want to do your production, we can go live on WhatsApp and I'll be instructing you on what to do. Do this, don't do this, do that. That will be easier. Most people have this phobia for group training because they feel that they will not learn well. But you can enroll for the practical live session where we can be on a live video call on WhatsApp. And I'll be instructing you on how to do these productions. Maybe seeing my face on a live video call will give you more encouragement. If you are interested in this type of training, do well by reaching me on the phone number I have displayed on the screen of this video, where you will learn how to produce soap making and every other type of skincare formulations. I will teach you in a live video coverage. It will be live on WhatsApp. I will teach you how to produce it. Then also I sell ebooks just in case you are interested in purchasing my ebook. You reach me through the phone number. My ebooks are very informative, very rich, a lot of information embedded in them. Just reach me to purchase it. You won't regret. There's a lot of information on how to produce these things in my ebook. The moment we are done with adding everything, I'm going to scoop it into my containers, then allow it to harden up. The hardening up process could take 30 minutes or 1 hour. Between that time is enough for it to harden up. Once it has hardened up inside the container, we are ready to use our anti-dandruff hair growth cream. This cream is very lovely, very nice, and it's actually fantastic. Trust me, if you apply this cream on your hair will be very healthy. It's actually a hair food. This is the kind of food you should be giving your hair. Authentic hair cream, very rich. Honey, chebe powder, coconut oil. There's a lot inside here that will make your hair grow properly. After 1 hour, this is the result. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to drop your comments. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to also join my classes. I run online classes. Goodbye and see you all next time.